I just found a new AI that allows you to create viral shots in minutes. When I say viral shots, I mean millions of views. Just take a look at this channel. These channels are creating this type of shots and they are getting millions of views. And you know what that means? Money, right? Now, let me show you how to use this AI. With this AI, you can create a whole lot of things. You can create fake test stories, you can create radio stories, you can create AI stories, and a whole lot of more. Just take a look at this fake test story that I created.
Have you heard about that AI that creates viral shorts? It's crazy how it gets millions of views overnight.
Yeah, I've seen it. Let me show you Jay's work. She's a total pro at turning ideas into trending content.
Really? What makes her so special? I mean, anyone can make short videos.
It's not just about making them, it's the way she uses AI to analyze trends and craft perfect hooks that keep viewers engaged.
That sounds impressive. Do you think she could teach us a thing or two?
Absolutely. Learning from her could be a game changer for our content strategy.
Let's reach out to her then. I want to master the art of going viral.
For sure, collaboration with Jay could elevate our game to a whole new level.
Now, also take a look at a radio story that I created.
From zero to hero, why every creator's journey matters. 20th talks. I know how it feels. You create, edit, post, and refresh your analytics 100 times, hoping today's the day your video takes off. But it doesn't. Again, you start wondering, am I even good enough? Maybe this isn't for me. Maybe I should quit. But listen, every single creator you look up to has been right where you are now. They felt invisible. They felt stuck. But they kept posting. They kept showing up. Because the truth is, you don't fail when nobody watches. You fail when you stop creating. So if you're a small creator watching this is your sign. Don't give up. Your time is coming.
You see? Now, you can also do a lot of cool stuff using this particular AI. Now, to get access to this AI, just use the link in the description box of this video and it's going to take you straight to this site. Now, this is the site where the magic happens. First of all, you need to sign up for an account before you can start using this particular AI. Now, before we continue, if this is the first time of seeing me, my name is Jean Francis. If you're interested in AI and video editing, then hit that subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop awesome video. And this is my dashboard. I'm already logged into my account. So if you click at this top bar here, if you click on it, you're going to see a whole lot of things that you can do with this particular AI. You can see that you can create radio stories, fake tests, AI story video, dialogue, superhero, like a whole lot of things that you can do with this particular AI. Now, to get started, just scroll and you're going to see fake tests. If you want to use this particular template, you can see fake test. This is my dashboard, fake test. Just click on it. Now, once you click on fake test, you're going to see custom script, AI script, then paste script. Now, this AI script is if you want AI to generate your story for you, you can use AI script. Now, custom script is if you want to, you have an already made script that you have. Maybe you went to ChatGPT and got a script that you want to use for your videos, use custom. If you click on custom, you can see you can now input the text for each section. So you're going to be going with AI script. Let me just type in a story idea. All right, so now I just entered an idea, and the idea is two people talking about how creators are suffering from low visibility. Now, if you hit on generate, it's going to generate the whole stuff for us using the AI script. Let's wait. So now it has generated the whole thing for us. You can see it here. You can see the whole thing. Just enter your idea and it's going to generate it. You see how this thing is going. Then you click on next. Now, once you click on next, this is where you select the background style. That is the background that you want. So let me say I want to use this one. Which one do I use? Let me use this one. And then you click on next. Now, this is where you choose the theme. You can scroll down, choose the one that you like. So I'm just going to go for this one. And then you click on next. Now, once you click on next, it's going to bring you to this section. This is where you choose a voice. That is the voice that you want to use. You can see how this thing is going step by step, simple and easy. Now, you can see different voices.
Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about all the latest news, trends, and celebrity gossip. Let's get into it.
You can also see another voice.
We have a calm, well-spoken narrator, full of intrigue and wonder for nature, science, mystery, and history.
And you can see that each voice is labeled according to the way they perform. You can see that this one is labeled YouTube, this one is TikTok, this one is TikTok, this one is YouTube, this one is TikTok. So I'm just going to select the voice that I want to use now. Now, if you look here, you're going to see left character. That means that any voice I'm selecting here is for the left character. If you click on right, you select the voice for the right character. So I'm just going to select the voice I want to use for the left character. So I'm just going to leave it at this one. I like her voice. Now let's go to the right character. And let me choose a different voice. Let me choose this one.
Failure doesn't mean you are a failure, it just means you haven't succeeded yet.
All right, so I'll choose this one. Now I've selected all the voice. I'm just going to click on next. I'll click on next, that is generate video. You can see it is generating the video for us. So let's just wait. While we are waiting, let me show you other things that you can actually do with this AI. Now we have talked about fake tests. You can see AI story. This is AI story. You can generate stories using this AI. So click on AI story. And now here you can see interesting histories, long form jokes, bedtime story. And if you have your prompts ready, maybe like you have a prompt that you got from ChatGPT, a script you got from ChatGPT, just click on custom prompt. If you click on custom prompt, you just paste and generate. So I'm just going to select a template that I want to use. Let's say I want to go for interesting history. Now, if you click on interesting history, here is where you enter the starting hook and the call to action that you want. So I'll just say is the history of internet. Then the call to action is going to be follow for more or subscribe for more. Let's go with subscribe for more. And this is where you choose the language that you want. If you want English, any language of your choice, click here. You're going to see a whole lot of language that you can choose from. Chinese, Arabic, Malay, a lot of them, Russia. So I'm just going to leave it at English. Now, this is where you select the duration. You can see 30 to 60 seconds, 60 to 90 seconds, 90 to 120 seconds. So I'm just going to select 60 to 90 seconds and we click on generate scripts. It has generated the whole stuff. Now click on next. I don't know if this story is real, but I believe it's real. Now, if you click on next, this is where you choose the story type. You can see watercolor, you can see manga style, you can see pizza style, you can see oil style, you can see Disney style. I guess I'll go with Disney style this time around. And at the top here, you can see the ratio that is 9:16. If you are creating shorts, you can also create for Instagram, that is 1:1 ratio. You can create for YouTube, that is 16:9. You can create for shorts, YouTube shorts, 9:16. So come here and choose your aspect ratio. You can see how everything is moving. Then you can now click on next. Now, this is where you select your subtitle. This is where you select your subtitle. They have a whole lot here. Now, if you don't want subtitle, just click here to turn it off. But I want subtitle, so I'll just select the one and then I hit on next. Now, this is where you select the voice that you want to use. Now, I'm not going to use this YouTube. I'm going to use a voice that is good enough for storytelling. The good thing is that they describe each voice and what you can use each voice to do. So let's just check the one that is good for storytelling.
I've seen things you people wouldn't believe. Attack ships off the shoulder of Orion.
So I think I like this particular voice. So I'm just going to select this voice and we click on generate video. Now it's going to generate the video for us. Now let's go and check that video that we created. Let's go back home. Now to see all the things that you have created so far, just click at this top here. And once you click on it, scroll down, you are going to see projects. Click on projects. Once you click on project, it's going to bring you to this page. You can see that the one we created, the creator struggles and the story is ready. So I'm just going to download the two of them. Once I download it, I'm going to play it on my phone so that you can see it on a bigger screen. Let me download this one. I'm going to play it on a bigger screen so that you can see what we have generated so far. And if you watch closely, you can see that I've generated a lot of shots using this particular AI. And this is something that you can do easily, something that normally takes hours. You can now do it under minutes just using this AI. Enter your idea, click on next, select a voice, select a subtitle, and you have your video ready. It's very simple. So let me play it on a bigger screen. Alright, so this is the fake test story. You can see that the video is almost 52 seconds long. Now let's play it and see what we generated together.
Have you noticed how many creators are struggling right now with visibility? It's like we're shouting into a void.
I know, the algorithms change so often that it's hard to keep up. One moment you're trending, and the next, poof.
Exactly. It feels like they want us to keep creating but offer no real support. What's the point?
Right, and don't forget about those awful engagement metrics. It's disheartening when your hard work goes unnoticed.
And even when we try to adapt, the pressure to be on brand can stifle creativity. I miss just creating for fun.
It's like a rat race. Some creators burn out, or worse, they feel like they need to quit altogether. It's heartbreaking.
Absolutely. We need a platform that truly values our content, not just views and likes. What's the solution?
Maybe a creator-led initiative? We could band together, advocate for fairer algorithms, and support one another.
That's a brilliant idea. Imagine the collective power. We could bring real change to how visibility is determined.
Yes, and encourage platforms to prioritize quality over quantity. Our voices matter, and we should be heard.
Alright, so this is the fake test story. Now let's play the AI story that we generated. So this is the AI story. Let me play it. The AI story is over a minute long. Remember, we chose 60 seconds to 90 seconds. So it depends on the duration that you want. You can create long videos with this AI. You can create short videos depending on your need. So let's play and see what we did together.
The history of internet. In a vibrant town on the banks of the Nile, a visionary leader named Amir rose to power in the 21st century. He witnessed a land rich with resources, but burdened by poverty. Inspired, he envisioned a thriving community powered by sustainable innovations. Amir's first challenge was convincing the people. The elders feared change, stuck in their ways. They cherished tradition, but struggled under financial strain. Amir organized town meetings, sharing his ideas of solar energy and eco-friendly farming. Slowly, skepticism turned to hope. The climax approached when Amir initiated the first solar farm, a dazzling array of panels glistening in the sun. At the grand opening, townsfolk arrived, buzzing with excitement. The success of the solar farm ignited a spark across the region. With newfound energy, the economy flourished, education systems improved, and businesses thrived. By the end of the tale, Amir had transformed the town into a beacon of progress. His determination showcased the potential of sustainable development, inspiring leaders far beyond his borders. Amir's legacy lived on, a testament to vision and courage, reminding all that progress is possible when guided by the light of innovation. Subscribe for more.
Alright, so you have seen the video that we generated together. There is a whole lot more that you can do with this particular AI. Just use the link in the description box and it's going to take you straight to the site where you can explore a lot of things and blow up that channel. That channel that is struggling below 1,000 subscribers. Use these viral shots and blow them up. See you on the next video. Peace out.